Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting that comes from a comment on the channel. Someone was mentioning that he didn't find a lot of themes on the Microsoft Store to replace the desktop wallpapers from Windows 10. And I was kind of curious, so I decided to go and check it out to see what is happening. And this is very interesting. I've loaded the themes page from the Microsoft Store both on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. And to my surprise, the Windows 10 page contains 15 themes, and it seems it's the only thing that's available. And I don't know if they're going to actually cycle through other ones, but this is interesting because if you have a Windows 11 machine and go into the themes in the Microsoft Store, they have tons of them, as many as there was before, which is interesting. It makes me think that they're reserving more themes to Windows 11 and decided to limit the number of themes available for Windows 10, which I personally find kind of unacceptable. Is that another way for Microsoft to try to push people to Windows 11 by annoying them with removing options and removing choices? This is crazy. There is absolutely no reason for the themes that are available in Windows 11 to not be available in Windows 10. This is something that I find unacceptable, honestly. We're going to continue checking that out, hoping that it's a glitch more than anything else, but I find that is really, really dumb on the part of Microsoft to do this. So the only really big choices that are available on themes are in Windows 11. It seems crazy. I just can't believe it that they went that low as to remove some of the possibilities, which I guess means that you'll have to get, pictures and things by yourself somewhere else. So this is crazy. Maybe then if this is the way it is, maybe I could do a little video on how to get pictures and create your own themes. Maybe I think we are there. So I hope that this is a glitch, but this is unacceptable, honestly. Yeah, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.